Okay, I'm gonna start the clock, ha? Akal nyo eh. Yan, start ko na. 2 minutes to go. $1 neighborhood, $1. Yes, to go. Rex for 2. $1 Art Adventures gets the first 2 points. George James, down back to Rico, but stolen by Blue. Steal by James. Mike against Chester. After James. James from our teammate behind George. Kuya Eddie. Back to George. George drives. Back to Kuya Eddie for a jumper. Nope. All right, next will rebound. Rex to Rene. Chester to Rex against George. Favorite shot of Boss Rene for 2. Huwag yung iiwanan ganun yun. Sure yun. George, pass to James. James looking for Mike. Last touch by Blue. Ball remains with the red. Rico to James. Sorry, I'm going to score. 4-3 is the score. Yeah. Chester for 3. Long. Nope. 1 point lead by $1 Art Adventures. George to Mike against Jesse. Wow, what a pass from Rico! Wow, he misses. Mike, who controls the ball, follows it up for 2. 5-4. Neighborhood roofing by 1. Jesse. Behind the back pass to Chester. Back to Jesse. Jesse thinking of the 3. Overshoots it. George, steal by Rene. Rex, goes to close, steal by Rico. Counter steal by Rene. Foul on Rico Mambo. Foul. Yep, that's his first personal, first team foul on Neighborhood Roofing. Conrad. Chester recovers it. Brings it up. Nope. George controls the board. Oh, lost it. Rene. James. Pass to Rico. Rico open. Just like the practice. No good. Rebounded by Mangkalor, but misses it. Chester controls the board. Jesse. The glass for 2. Fade away. 8-5. 3-point lead by $1 Art Adventures. Mike, 8-5. White for three. Yeah, using the flash. Takot ba natin yun? Yes. 8-4. Mandatory 5 minutes. Thank you, Ren. Score is 8 up. 8-8. That's play. Oh, goal for two. Assist from Rex. 10-8. 2-point lead by Dallas RD Ventures.
Winston, pick, Winston, pick.
OG for three. Yeah. 3 points by OG. 11-10 is the score. 1 point lead. Back to a 1 point lead by Neighborhood Roofing. Goal. Paano rin yun? Jumper, no good. Red ball down. According to it. Oh, 70. Foul. Black foul on blue, 17. That's their first team foul.
Right, bigyan mo ng pick, right.
Gale rebounds it. Rex, jumper, no. OG controls the board. Winston to Luka. Yep, 14-10 is the score. Almost a steal by Red, covered by Rex. Gale, just a 2-point shot according to the Red. 14-12, 2-point lead by Neighborhood.
Let's go, buddy.
Gale to Rex. Rex lays it up. He got fouled by number 77, Luka.
Rocky, ilan bang game
That's
tonight?
13
Tatlo?
foul.
Dalawa?
First
Ilan yung
person
game
on
ngayon?
Luka. Two
Dalawa?
shots for Rex.
Dalawa kahapon, dalawa.
Ah, so 8 team lang pala tayo. Ah, okay.
First basket for Rex is good. 2 minutes to go in the first quarter. 14-13, 1 point lead. Neighborhood. Short, Rex rebounds it. There's the shot, yes. Yep, 2 points, 15-14.
Nice pick.
OG for 3. Yeah! 17-15, 2 point lead by Neighborhood. He got fouled by number 79, OG. Yep. That's the 14th foul on Neighborhood. Timeout, Red. That's the first timeout in the first half. There no substitution. Except
I do not know yet who's gonna be, they're asking to become a ref on Friday. Are you looking for?
Hey. Now this is the timeout clock.
The guy that in charge on that Friday league is the same on Wednesday. Yeah.
Sorry. Go ahead. Make the substitution.
Hindi, injury.
Minsan, hindi nababalik.
Injury.
Si Reynante.
Hindi na babalik.
Na hyperextend yung tuhod.
Go.
Groin ka.
We'll talk about it halftime. Okay?
Tinamaan sa bayag.
Injury, hindi yung pwede pilitin. Eh. Matatanda na tayo. Papa. Mike, start. Ball goes to blue. 40 seconds remaining in the first quarter.
Padi, dive ka, Padi. Dive ba, dive?
Gale pass to Rex for 3. Short. Oh, Gale with a rebound. Follows it up. Luka, 20 seconds remaining. To Mike. Next field. 10 seconds.
Hey, two shot.
77, Luka, foul. That's the second personnel.
Shooting. He was never shooting.
Okay. Hey, let's start the second quarter.
You called it. It was never. It was on the end line. It was on the end line. He was never in the act of shooting. So how's it a shoot foul?
Let's go.
Red ball. Let's go red ball.
Traveling. Oh, steal and five. Ang ano? 1950, 4-point lead by Neighborhood. James controls the board. Steal by Chester. Conrad all alone. Yes, assist from Chester. 1917, 2-point lead by Neighborhood. Oh, block by Chester. Long pass to Rene. Table it short. Mangalo rebounds it. George. Pass to Rico. Balikat down. Who's foul red, sorry? Number 3, Chester. That's Chester first personal, first team foul on blue. First free throw by Rico is good, 2017. Mr. 50 cent, may 75 cents. Chester for 3. Oh, Mike rebounds. James to George. George gets 3. Yes! Wow, what a move by George. Timeout, Blue. That's your first timeout in the first half. Score is 23-17, 6-point lead by Neighborhood Roofing Red.
Yeah, it was 8 teams only. 8 teams.
For Wednesday and Friday?
No, for today,
This-
loading.
okay.
Yeah. So that's why they had like 2 games yesterday and 2 games today.
Neighborhood roofing by 6. Jesse using the glass. Oh, sayang. Foul on Chester. That's Chester's second personal, second team foul on one Dallas Art Adventure Blue. George to James. Back to George.
Give it to him. There you go. There you go. There you go. Be patient.
Foul on number 24.
Technical ref! Technical ref!
That officials consensus.
Kick him out, number 24!
For Boston winning. Oh, miss. 23-17. One more shot for Boston. Second basket for Renee is good. 23-18, 5-point lead. Correction, 25. Oh, three-point shot by Tino, 1-3. Score is 28-18. Foul on
24!
24. That's his second personal, second team
Graduate
foul.
na! 5 na, 6 na
Two
pala!
shots for Chester. (28-18), 10-point lead. First goal, miss.
Smile muna sa cameraman.
George, pass to James. Turnover, Casper with the steal. To Conrad using the glass. Follow-up by Chester. Timeout. Neighborhood Roofing, that's your second timeout. Winston, no good. Oh, tapped by Luka to Winston. Mike against Ray. Jumper, no, he got fouled by Rex. Number 26, that's the third team foul on Blue. First on Rex. 2 shots for Big Mike. First basket, good, 29-20. Second basket for Mike is also good, 30-20. Three minutes 40 remaining. Chester. He got blocked by Mike. Ball down to Red. Winston for three.
Nice hand!
It wasn't.
Tap!
Stay. Padi ka magkano sa Rex? Padi, sa Rex. Budi. Stay, ha?
Rex jumper, yes. 30-22, 8-point lead. Neighborhood Roofing. 2 minutes 50 remaining in the first half. OG. Luca for three. Nope. Rebound by San Jose. Rex. Gathers. Oops. Takes. Block. Oh. 72. Mike. Foul on Mike. 13 foul. First personal on Mike, 2 shots for the Dukes. Yes. No net.
Sira yung net eh, sira. Sira yung net.
Kaya nga, buti pa yung sasad, kaganda nun eh.
Yun nga eh.
Thirty, 23, rebounded by George.
Get the ball!
Luca lays it down for two. Oh, 32-23. Rex got fouled by Red 65, George. Second personnel on George, 14 foul on Neighborhood, 2 shots for Rex. No basket for a personal.
Right, George?
Chester gets the rebound. Last touch on red, ball remains with blue. 35 seconds remaining. 30 seconds. Steal by OG.
Oh yes!
Who got fouled by Blue 26, Rex.
Apat na yan!
That's Rex. Second personal. 2 shots for OG. I think that's the end of the first half.
Magpa-pay muna tayo!
First shot by OG is good. 33-23. Second shot by OG also good. 34-23. Halftime score.
Oh, yeah, because second quarter they got it. Red got it.
Tester to Rex. After Tester, bounce pass to Conrad. Nope. Mike rebounds. Mancano to George. Mancano, long pass to James. James to Mike. Mike. To Mancano. Nope. Sayang. Steal by George. Steal by Gale. Gale takes. One-legged shot. Wow. 34-25. What a shot by Gale. James to George. To Mike. Mike. No good. Gale rebounds it. To Rex. 3 against 2. Conrad. Oh, what a pass by Rex to Conrad. 34-27. 7-point lead. Down to 7. Neighborhood still up. George. To Rico. Rico. Almost a steal by Conrad. Now Eddie to James for 3. Nope. Controlled by Chester. Gale against Moncanor against 2. Rex for 3. 34-30. Tama ba? Yeah. That's a 4-point lead by Neighborhood Roofing. Mike. To Moncanor. To James. He got fouled by number 45, Conrad. First team foul on blue. Rex to Gale, lost the ball, turnover, red ball, oh, steal by Rex. So 34-32. Steve Rex with 2 points there. George, yes! 36-32, 4-point backdoor 4-point lead by Neighborhood Roofing. Rex against Rico. To Jesse for 3, strong. Gale rebounds it. Takes, pass to Conrad. To Rex for 3. Yes! 34-36-35, 1-point lead. Neighborhood with 5:50 remaining in the third quarter. It's George to James to Moncanor. Eddie to George. Back to James. To Moncanor. No. Rebound controlled by Gale. Long pass to Chester. Lays it up on the left hand. It's now a 1-point lead by Dallas Architecture. Mike, oh, what a shot by Mike. Who got fouled by? Who? Okay. Gale. Mandatory substitution. Second team foul on blue. Yeah. Wait. Committee timeout. Alright. you need to report it to the other team. You need to report it to the other, kasi we don't know we don't know. The guy should be in, but he's injured, we don't know, the other team is complaining, so let us know next time. So we're good. Thank you, we didn't know.
Hey,
39.
Wait.
We got score. One more free throw. We got one free throw.
Yeah, we'll fix it. Relax.
39-37.
Yep. Ay, tama ba ako?
Hoy, the other way.
Yung blue.
39-37.
Hey, we're correcting it. Relax. We said we're gonna correct it. How many times are we gonna say we're gonna correct it? We're gonna correct it. We hear you guys. Yuka for three. 42-37. Here for three. No. According to the ref. Calm down, guys. Okay, they're gonna get a correction. Rex for Rene. Rene jumper. Nope. Mike rebounds it. 3 minutes to go in the third quarter. OG got fouled by number 54, Rene. That's a 13th foul.
Victim number 1.
First shot by OG. Good. Second basket is good. Third 3-point is good. 45. 45-37. Rene.
Body si Rex. Body lapit.
By
Rex.
Rex. Nope. Luka, long pass. Steal by Rex. Rex, jumper, nope. Rebounded by Rex. Bounce pass to Gale. No. Baggy rebounds it.
Hey, step up.
A good rebound. Looking for a teammate.
I'm taking.
Timeout, Red. Neighborhood Roofing, that's their first time out in the second half. 1 minute 24 remaining in the third quarter.
Kasi nga tayo, masyado maingay. Marareklamo tayo. Si Darwin, masyado maingay, marareklamo tayo. Tama.
1 minute 24 remaining in the third quarter. 45-37 is the score. Neighborhood Roofing by 8 points. Let's go.
Magbulong na lang kayo. Magbulungan kayo.
Flicks it, no good. Rebounded by Brooks. Steal by OG. Ahead to Luca for 2. It's now a 10-point lead by Neighborhood. Gale, Rex for 3. Yeah! 47-40. Technical foul. 18 seconds remaining. Second personnel on Mike. 10 seconds. Mike taps the block in the block. No basket, if it makes it. End of the third quarter, 47-40. Come on.
We had the last possession.
No,
Reset, right?
Step up.
Reset.
Walk him in.
That's fine. Defense! Defense!
50 seconds shot clock. For 3. 50-40, 10-point lead by Neighborhood. 15 seconds. Yes. That's for 2. Assist from Jesper. Luca freeze at 2. Assist from OG. 52-42. Jesse lost the ball. Steal by George. George got fouled by number 70. Gale.
Who's ball, Rob? Set.
Two shots for George. Second personnel on Gale. 53-42.
Sinabi ko na, tatlong beses na.
Two baskets for George, 54-42. 12-point lead by Neighborhood. Turnover again by Blue.
Defense! Lapitan mo! Hey!
Foul on 32, Jesse. First personnel on Jesse. Second team foul on Blue. First basket is good. 55-42.
Stop!
56-42. Substitution. There you go, basket. 56-42. 7 minutes to go. Bounce pass to Rene. Wow, what a pass! Oh! It's a weak shot. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Yes, basket by OG. 58-42, 16 points. Chester bounce pass to Rene, short. Chester using the glass for 2, yes, that's good. 58-44, 14-point lead. 6 minutes to go. Still a ball game. 15-second shot clock. Foul. Technical foul on number 3. Who's foul?
Black naman yan. Hindi naman yan.
Oh, that's, hey, Chester, that's his fifth personal. If the technical is counted as a personal, that's your 5th personal foul.
Technical is a personal already? Ha?
Dili man to foul. Kaya hamang diri man siya sa likod nag-block. I-blockan mo na yan. Pero ambot lang anong gitawagan ko.
Ang technical is personal? Sa NBA dili man.
NBA man to. College man to. Technical eh. Tatlo plus post foul tapos technical daw 4 so plus ball position. Oh, so yeah. See?
62-44.
4 tapos ball position.
4 minutes 17 to go. Panahon. 15-second shot clock. Who's foul? 7-0 Gale. That's Gale. Third personal on Gale. 14 foul on Blue. George to Mike reverse for good. Rebound by Chester. Rex for 3. Nope. Rebound by Conrad. Another 3 for Rex. Oh, Lucas steals it. But Gale's counter steals it. Rex using the glass for 2. 62-46. 15-second shot clock. Foul on number 45. That's their 15th foul, 1-on-1 for
First shot,
stop,
first
stop.
shot.
1-on-1. Conrad's foul. First free throw, good. Miss. Chester rebounded. Chester using the glass for 2 is good. 63-48. Last 2 minutes of the ball game.
Get scoring. Shoot it.
Master, no good.
Klaro na boss.
Chester for 3. Yes. 63-51 with 1 minute 30 remaining. Mangkanor, no. George rebounds it. Layup for Big Mike. 65-51. Rex, steal by OG. To George, sure ball, 67-51. 1 minute to go. Rex, nope. Ball goes to blue, remains to blue. Conrad reverses, good for 2. 67-53. Mangkanor, yes, finally, 69-53. What's that? Ano naman yun? Steal. Chester. Oh, no good. George rebounds. Mangkanor, next stop, 71. 15 seconds remaining. Chester for 3. Nope. Big Mike. Another rebound.